Oh, so you are asking about the one coin. Now, about the one coin, this is the type of cryptocurrency, just like the Bitcoin. When you talk about the one coin, it's just like the Bitcoin is like Ethereum, it's like the other USDT, those cryptocurrency world. And one coin is one of them. It's only that it was listed in the Binance recently. So what does it mean? So the one coin has been there. So the owner, the CEO, who is the founder of the OpenAI, the artificial intelligence, so he decided to make this one coin thing. So it's like a virtual currency you cannot touch, but like Bitcoin. So previously they end up platform and a hub where you could before you open this application, you end to be scanned your eyebrows. I think the eyebrows, something like that. Yeah, because according to the science, that is what you human have. That is the uniqueness. All people have the are unique when it comes to the eyeballs over there. So according to the the OpenAI, I think that is why they are trying to have what is called the world ID, so that because that is what will differentiate people. So for you to have an app with the one coin, you have to be scanned your eyeballs, and when you just get it scanned, that is when you approve your account, and the system will detect now you are unique human. Okay, so because some people have been using robot over there, so when you have that verified account after scanning your eyeballs, then you've been given the airdrop. So the airdrop is actually what we call it's like just the bonus, because for opening like a gift, something like that. So for after opening the live account, your account has been approved in that matter. So you can get like 50 one coin. So many people have been receiving that previously. For those who opened like 3 months ago, they received that, just they kept them in their wallet because you cannot transfer anywhere. Now when it comes to any coin being listed in the Binance, it means you can sell that and convert to the local currency like Kenya shillings and then withdraw. But if the coin is not listed in the Binance, it is very hard for you to transfer that coin to the Binance and sell it. Now the one coin was last week. It is the time now for the people and that world coin in the one coin application. After scanning their eyeballs, then it was actually transferred. They transferred to the Binance, where the one coin actually was listed to more than 2.5. It started by $3.6 for one coin, and there are so many people who were given more than 100 world coin, which translated to about 30,000 for those who entered one. But the process is still on for the people who actually want to have the world coin uniqueness, the world ID, what they call something like that. So it's in different modes where you can just open the world coin application, you get it scanned and your eyeballs, and then you receive those coins, and then it's type of cryptocurrency. You can transfer them to Binance and then sell after your account has been verified. But I don't know whether maybe you have to wait after sometimes, but that is what I know at the moment. Yeah, so you can transfer them to the Binance and then convert it. For now, the one coin is going at 280 bob, because so many people have been selling and the price has just been going down. Yeah, so that is the world coin. So for the people who are buying world coin, there are some people who actually may be going there and they don't know how to, they don't have something like Binance. So you just give them the address, they send you those world coin, and then you can sell to local currency, something like that, and then you can just give them the money, because the one coin that you get, you don't get the Binance, you get to the account that is approved, that is the world coin app. I think maybe that is it. I hope maybe you have understood that.